In today's video, I'll show you 2 ways on how to fix Instagram stories with no music. If your Instagram stories has no music in the search results, or if you look on the browse and it's really limited, there's most likely a reason behind it. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Instagram stories with no music. If you search for a song and it's just not showing up, it most likely means that the song is not a part of Instagram stories. What does this mean? In certain countries, they have different copyright laws, and they tend to vary. For example, the songs that are available in the United States might not be available in, let's say, China. But outside of this is the main reason on why certain songs might not load. Select the 3 lines. Okay, so depending on your account type, it might be limiting the music results you can choose from. So to change that, this is what you'll need to do. Go to the Settings and Activity tab, then select Business Tools and Controls. Then scroll to the bottom and you'll need to switch your account type. You'll need to switch it back to a personal account. This way you can have full access to every song that Instagram has to offer. So I have a creator account and I also have a business account, and those limit the type of music you can choose from. With the business account, you may be using it to get clients, or with a business account, you may be using it to get clients, or using it for advertising. Make sure to switch your account to a personal account so you won't have any of these problems. And that's how you solve Instagram stories with no music. Hold up! Now if you did all this and it still didn't work, then you probably just need to update the app itself. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys.